Good evening students, this is Avdesh Rai here. In today's video, we are going to discuss syllabus and marks distribution of 11th economics. So let's start. The total subject is divided into three parts, part A, part B and part C. Part A is named as statics for economics, part B introductory microeconomics and part C project work. The weightage of part A is 40 marks, weightage of part B is 40 marks and weightage of project work is 20 marks. By combining these two, you have to attend an annual examination paper named as Theory Paper of Economics. Let us discuss the content of these parts. So starts from statics. This part divided into three units. The name of first unit is introduction, second collection, organization and presentation of data, and third statistical tool and interpretation. The content of microeconomics, the total subject is divided into four parts. The unit 1 introduction, unit 2 consumers equilibrium and demand, producer behavior and supply, unit 3rd, and last unit forms of market and price determination under perfect competition with simple application. And finally, the detail of project. The project will be purely handwritten, contain 3500 to 4000 words. For project, attendance will matter. Along with attendance, one viva OC for 5 marks will be held, and the students have to attend practical examination for project. Now let us discuss the description about the units. So in first unit of statics, that is introduction, by reading this we will learn about what is economics, what is statistics, what is scope of economics, what is needed in our daily life, etc. In second unit, we will discuss about what is data, what is raw data, types of data, why we collect data, why we organize data, and presentation of data by various graphs and maps. In last unit, statistical tool. By learning this unit, we will be able to answer about correlation, central tendency, measure of dispersion, index numbers, etc. With the discussing introduction of microeconomics, by learning this chapter we will be able to answer the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics, definition of both, what is an economy, what is scarcity, what are the role of supplements and substitute products in economy. In second unit, we will learn about who is consumer, what is demand, what is the relation between consumers and demand, what is the relation between price and demand, etc. In third unit, here we have to discuss about the producers or manufacturer of the goods and services and how supply take place between consumer to firms. In last unit, that is forms of market and price determination under perfect competition with simple application. By learning this topic, we have to study about what is perfect competition, what is features of perfect competition, what is market, which place can be termed as market, what are the types of market, that is monopoly, monopolistic competition, etc. and application of demand and supply. So dear students, this is your syllabus and marks distribution of subject. In next video we will discuss about first unit of statics, that is introduction and of economics and statistics. Thank you.